is that? That's funny looking. What is that? Looks like some kind of card or something. I don't know. Plexiglass. Where'd he go? Oh wow. Pappy did see something. He's right. He's got that eye.
Nice piece of plexiglass.
Yeah, but like, look at that. That's what's interesting.
Freaking pickaxe. We can go gold mining now if you wanted to.
Wow.
A thick old piece of plexiglass. This is Chrysler car parts that were bought and never even used, it looks like.
Wow. There's
Some kind
tags
of
on them.
radiator or air conditioner lines.
What's that?
And this, I have no idea. It's some kind of dolly.
That's really cool.
The fold-up dolly. That part folds down, the wheels fold out to carry something. That might come in handy, and it folds so we can haul it all the time.
Awesome.
Wow.
Wow. Pretty cool finds, Pappy.
Good deal. Not bad at all. We'll go down to the end now. I might as well and look in that one down there if you want.
Okay. It says in French, it works still. Fonctionne encore.
What, the remote or the TV?
The TV, I'm assuming.
Oh, okay. Is
Yeah.
it? You want to just get the remote, or you want to get the whole daggone TV?
Probably just the remote. Unless you wanted to, I don't know. It's big.
It's too big to
You
worry about, huh?
You said we weren't doing.
Any more TVs?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can just snag the remote off of it.
It's not a
The whole TV. She acts like she's stealing it. It's for free. Well, the remote's worthy at least. JVC. Alright, well, that's something. Remotes will sell when that junky TV never will. Alright. Seen the vacuum around the corner we could go get. Oops. Uh-oh. So you might as well go this way. I think when we came by earlier, I seen a vacuum cleaner somewhere here nearby.
Hidden vacuum.
I do believe I seen a vacuum cleaner stuck up in here somewhere. Oh, there it is, hiding behind a bush. Hello, vacuum. And it's got some kitty cat houses with it.
I have like a 3-camera inception thing going on. Oh, Happy pre-open the door. That was a good idea. Foresight.
I guess I should move the groceries over to there.
Yeah, those were not fines. Those were paid for.
Set this down just a second.
It's a Bissell.
I think so.
Cool.
Got what it said.
Did Pappy take his camera with him? I wonder. Wave to the camera. Found something else. What is that? It looks like Pappy maybe could have used a hand here. Some random people walking by. Some children, so I just wanted to censor that. Ooh, a hat. That looks like a mini shop vac or something. That's really cool. What you got there, Pappy?
Like a shop vac, and I don't know what that is. Same practice they had. This looks like some kind of broken piece of Swiffer broom, but it has an aluminum handle, so. And another vacuum.
Wow.
Vacuum cleaner day. And there's this TV in there that we don't want.
No more TVs. What? Is that a 13-inch, no bigger TV?
Yeah. Not too bad, huh? Since it's a little guy, I grabbed it. Okay. I'm back.
Weird. Okay, now the lighting is fixed. Maybe I should.
Oh yeah, that, I remember now because it had some vacuum hoses over there, so it's a chance it has a vacuum cleaner
Let's stop and
over there.
see.
Oh, is it vacuum hoses? It is, and it's some kind of weird type vacuum. Huh. Some junk in a box, and I think this is a tow cable. A little tube and a little wire.
It's also a Bissell. That's funny.
It's worth cutting off of it. Ma'am?
That accessory is also to.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that vacuum was or not, but. Okay.
It's starting to rain.
I know, so I guess you could make your way towards the house. And we'll look as we go, because it's not going to rain long.
Okay.
But. We'll just make our way along and see what we can see. Most people haven't put their cans out yet, even though it's their day. I guess because of the holiday, they're very much behind. There is a holiday here.
Lazy people.
But the garbage will still run as normal, holiday or not. It's a pretty little neighborhood
It's
right
like
here.
a little.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Nice little courtyard, and all houses right here. Tucked away in here, you wouldn't even know it. A thing,
So 3 different scrappers.
yeah.
We know we're in the right place.